Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes Sprinter 2022, and it's a full electric one, so it's electric, brand new. And what we've done on this vehicle is we've installed a factory style reverse monitor up there, and also reversing sensors installed on the rear seat bumper. So when you put the vehicle into reverse, it comes up on the screen, as you can see, and also the sensors turn on. I got no one back there to test it, but yeah, it will make very loud beep sounds on the outside, and you'll be able to hear it if someone's close by to the vehicle. And it goes off when you put it back into drive. If you want this installed on your Sprinter or your van, you want a factory style look like that, then give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at Car Sound Security Ltd. Thank you.